So, ladies and gentlemen, we are in Gmail and we want to change a subject line in an email. So let's get in. You can see over here, I have an email from Viral Splinter, and currently, it does not have a subject. Okay, so let's say we would like to reply now and we need to add a subject in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap on reply and it'll bring up our reply menu. So we can now just add our reply. Now, if we would like to change that subject line, you can see over here there is a little arrow pointing to the left and there's a drop down arrow. So here you can change it from reply to forward, and then you can also tap on the edit subject, and here you can type in whatever it is that you would like. So we're going to go how to harbor right over here. That is our subject. And now when you send this email, the subject will come up right over there as it would before. It has now been changed. If this video was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome one. Cheers.